My name is Kevin Spurway. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at Altosoft, and today I'm going to give a quick introduction to the company, starting with a little background and then getting into some of the things that make the company different in the business intelligence space. Our technology enables organizations to achieve what we call information advantage, and the way that we do that is to deliver business intelligence solutions that are easy to implement, easy to use, powerful, and affordable. Altosoft is a 2009 Gartner Cool Vendor in Business Intelligence. Our product was initially released back in 2006, and the company was founded by a group of technology executives with a strong background in business intelligence, data integration, and business process management. And all of these disciplines have impacted the development of the product going forward. Specifically, fundamentally, the product is designed to make the data integration portion of business intelligence very easy, and that gives us a major competitive advantage in terms of the way that we implement and we deliver our solutions. Our upcoming release is Altosoft 3.6, and we're going to introduce that in August 2009. The company's headquartered in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and we have major customers in a variety of industries, including organizations like Bank of America, Comcast, Yale University, PNC Bank, Randstad, and more. We're also a Microsoft Gold certified ISV partner. We are a company that's based our technology on Microsoft, and we're committed to working very closely with the Microsoft technologies, including deep integration with Microsoft Office Suite, SharePoint, and other Microsoft products. Altosoft's business intelligence solutions enable organizations to unleash the full value of their data. First and foremost, they deliver essential information to business users. They enable organizations to monitor their business performance more closely by enabling end users to create their own dashboards and reports. They enable organizations to analyze all sorts of data, including financial, sales, marketing, and operational data. They support decision-making in both a strategic and an operational context, and they very quickly enable organizations to pull that information from any enterprise system, including ERP systems, CRM, data warehouses, or whatever data sources that might exist. Performance management is another key element of what Altosoft delivers. Altosoft enables organizations to establish and maintain a library of key performance indicators so that they can take a goal-based approach to management. That enables them to quantify and manage both individual and team performance, and of course we can slice and dice this data in any sort of mechanism necessary in order to understand the business drivers, the risks, and the opportunities associated with organizational performance. Finally, Altosoft enables companies to optimize their business performance. They can support the business operations themselves, the day-to-day operations of the business, by delivering business intelligence directly into those business processes with real-time data, alerts that proactively notify people when problems are creating or there are exceptions that need to be handled, and incident management features that enable organizations to programmatically resolve those issues. Altosoft enables companies to measure and optimize their business process performance and quality, and that's a major difference between Altosoft and other business intelligence solutions which are not process aware, and I'll talk about that in more detail in a few minutes. And finally, Altosoft enables organizations with that process technology to implement process-based methodologies like Six Sigma and track the success of those methodologies very carefully and completely in both from both a long-term perspective as well as an operational standpoint in the short term. So there's a lot of value here in terms of these deliverables, but quite frankly, you've probably heard a lot of these things before. Most BI vendors can accomplish all of these things with the exception of the process-related stuff that we talked about, given enough time and money. The problem is most organizations don't have an infinite amount of time and an infinite amount of resources to get these results. What Altosoft does is it makes it all fast and affordable. So let's talk about that in some more detail and talk a little bit about what the Altosoft difference really is and what information advantage really means. First and foremost, information advantage means better dashboards. That means dashboards and reports that don't involve the traditional compromise between ease of use, power, and the ability to quickly generate and create new dashboards and reports. Second, Altosoft delivers automatic smart marts. Smart marts enable you to bring together any data you need from any data source whenever you need it, and to do it completely hassle-free without writing any code, without having to invest significantly in third-party data integration technologies. Smart marts make it easy. Third, Altosoft delivers exclusive business process intelligence technology that no other BI solution offers, that enables organizations to take a unique process-centric view of their business, a view of how their business is performing that really gives them a significant competitive edge. And then finally, we've talked a little bit about time and affordability. Altosoft is all about fast results. That means implementation of solutions in days, the ability to make changes in minutes, and zero code throughout the entire process, which makes things very fast from an implementation standpoint, and it makes it easy to extend the solution as well. So let's talk about each one of these four things in a little bit more detail. First and foremost, better dashboards. Altosoft delivers dashboards and reports on demand. These dashboards are very easy to use, they look great, and they make monitoring your business very, very easy from any perspective, whether it's the CEO looking at a dashboard that describes the high-level performance of the business, or whether it's a line manager operationally needing to understand his business in a rich level of detail, being able to analyze it and slice and dice it. Users are empowered with Altosoft dashboards to basically get the information they need as they need it. They can simply drag and drop to create new dashboards and reports if they have the right permissions. There's no need for a user to ever wait for another report. And of course, with today's business intelligence solutions, waiting is a big part of the game. So many companies that we talk to are faced with, the prospect of waiting weeks or even months to generate a new report to get the information that they need to run their business. With Altosoft, that's no longer relevant. Dashboards and reports are delivered when they're needed, as they're needed. These solutions also deliver power and performance that many business intelligence solutions struggle to deliver. Altosoft supports real-time data, so if you need to have a second-by-second data feed from a particular operational source, we can deliver that. We deliver powerful analytical capability for dimensional analysis, slicing and dicing the data so users can drill down and understand the root causes of things that are underlying their business. And we include an integrated system for alerting and incident management that basically enables organizations to drive operational improvement. So programmatically enabling organizations to track where problems are happening, to be alerted when those problems happen, and then to make sure that those problems are resolved in a timely fashion in a workflow-driven context where a particular alert will send a task to somebody to resolve it. It will be escalated if that task isn't resolved in a particular amount of time. So it creates a closed loop type of system where you're refining and completing and solving your problems proactively. Finally, these dashboards are extremely cost effective. They're easy to implement, they're easy to maintain. Adding or changing a dashboard literally takes minutes because it's a drag and drop environment. We offer very flexible pricing and packaging, and because the dashboards are code-free, easy to implement, and are designed for user self-service, we minimize the total cost of ownership associated with these dashboards. It's safe to say that with Altosoft dashboards, as you'll see if you get the opportunity to see a demonstration, Altosoft dashboards really eliminate the traditional trade-off between power and ease of use that's involved in business intelligence. Certainly at the high end of the business intelligence market, there are solutions that can accomplish, from a feature function standpoint, all of these things. But those solutions are solutions that, quite frankly, are very expensive. With Altosoft, you get all the power of the high-end solutions at an affordable price.